Hi everyone, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Miska Mumtaazah. I come from Aceh. Today, in this time, I will tell you a patriot story from Aceh. Name of the story is Teungku Daud Beureu'eh. One day, in September 17, 18, and 99, was born a handsome boy who has real name Muhammad Daud in Beureu'eh village, Aceh. Because Muhammad Daud was still part of Kesultanan Kemangan, he got a title Teungku Muhammad Daud Beureu'eh, which means is Kiai Muhammad Daud from Beureu'eh. From 1930, Muhammad Daud had showed his enthusiasm for freedom fighter modern Islamic school. On the other hand, he also had a big dream as a famous courtier. Finally, in 1939, he created an organization called PUSA, or Muslim Scholar United Whole of Aceh. And Teungku Daud Beureu'eh was a leader of the organization. The PUSA organization moved in religion education which affected to Islamic Reformation. Until one day, our first president, Engineer Sukarno, went to Aceh. He looked for help and supported for Indonesia government. At the moment, Aceh governor and military, Teungku Muhammad Daud Beureu'eh, decided had the meeting with Engineer Sukarno at Aceh Hotel. During the meeting, Engineer Sukarno said, "Can you help our country? For by two aeroplanes during the second Netherlands military aggression? Of course I can, but there is one condition. You must give Islamic law policy in Aceh instead." Heard statement of Daud Beureu'eh. Engineer Sukarno asked for Daud Beureu'eh. "Don't you believe me?" "Mean that I don't believe you, but you must feel disappointment as instead of what do you want." "All right, I will feel your longing." Heard a good news from Engineer Sukarno mouth. Teungku Daud Beureu'eh asked for Aceh people to collect funds in the form of gold. "For my people, our first president comes as a help. He want to buy two aeroplanes for Indonesia government. Cause by Indonesia is in state of emergency right now. So we need to collect funds for this importance. So we will get Islamic law policy in our beloved Aceh." Know about this thing, Aceh people felt happy. To Engineer Sukarno and to Teungku Daud Beureu'eh. As soon as possible, Aceh people collected funds in the form of gold and the total are 60 kilograms. Wow, it was so awesome. Funds was collected. Two aeroplanes was bought. The name of the aeroplane is RI-1 and RI-2. But agreement about Islamic law policy in Aceh did not feel by Engineer Sukarno. Know about this thing, Aceh people, including Teungku Daud Beureu'eh, felt angry and disappointed to Engineer Sukarno. Because this emergency situation, Aceh people want to clearly fight with Indonesia government. As soon as possible, Indonesia government sent NI or Indonesia National Soldier to Aceh for fight with Aceh Darul Islam troop. And this fight felt tired and long. And finally, this fight was end and chose a peace way with a conference as called Aceh Public Harmony Discussion. So, advances of the story are: first, if you have promised with someone or groups, don't you ever break your appointment. And the last is, discussion for the best future and for the best result. End of the story. I finished. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. See you next time.